Looking for the best portable solar charger for your phone? Look no further. Introducing the Solar Panel Charger 36W by Ericsity, the ultimate companion for your outdoor adventures. This innovative solar charger is packed with features designed to keep you powered up wherever you go. First off, let's talk about its portability. With its foldable design and compact size, weighing just 2 pounds, the Ericsity solar charger is incredibly easy to carry with you on hikes, camping trips, or any outdoor excursion. But don't let its size fool you. This solar charger packs a punch with its 36W output and USB-C fast charging capabilities. Constructed with the latest ETFE material, this charger is built to withstand the elements. Its heat-resistant and corrosion-resistant properties ensure that it can handle whatever Mother Nature throws its way. Thanks to its SunPower silicon solar cells and matte surface, this charger can convert up to 24% of solar power into free energy, making it one of the most efficient options on the market. Whether you're hiking through the mountains or camping in the woods, you can easily attach the Ericsity solar charger to your backpack and keep your devices charged throughout your adventure. And with its included USB-C to USB-A connector, setup is a breeze. Plus, with friendly customer service and a 30-day return policy, you can purchase with confidence. So, if you're ready to stay powered up on your next outdoor adventure, choose the Solar Panel Charger 36W by Ericsity. Don't let a dead battery ruin your fun. Get yours today.